Magandang araw mga ka-Facebook friends. Ako po si Angelica Mayo and I will be sharing my reflection in today's Gospel of John 16:20-23. In today's Gospel, Jesus tells his disciples, "You will experience great pains and sorrows, but this will turn into joy." Jesus is referring to his sufferings, death, and eventual resurrection. So from grief of his dying on the cross to the joy of his resurrection to save us from our sins. Sa ating pang-araw-araw na pamumuhay, tayo ay nakakaranas ng matinding kalungkutan dulot ng mga pagsubok sa ating buhay. Noong kasagsagan ng pandemya, maraming mga nakaranas ng matinding pagkakasakit, matinding kalungkutan dahil nawala ng mga mahal sa buhay, nawala ng trabaho, bumagsak ang mga negosyo, at kahit ngayon ay nakakabalita tayo ng mga taong sa tindi ng kulungkutan ay kumikitil ng mga sariling buhay. Ang sinasabi sa gospel natin for today ay magtiwala tayo kay Jesus. Trust and have faith and stay on the path, how difficult it might be. Because with Jesus, there is always the promise of joy behind the pain. Often during those very difficult times in our lives, we call on Jesus, and the answer may not be in the way we want them to be. And when this happens, we then question Jesus, mahal ba talaga ako ng Diyos? Bakit dumarating sa akin ang mga ganitong pagsubok? We are blinded and feel paralyzed by the extreme grief that we feel. But Jesus did not promise that it will always be a bed of roses. Anong sabi niya in the gospel? Very truly, I tell you, you will weep and mourn while the world rejoices. Pero ano ang pangako niya? You will grieve, but your grief will turn into joy. During those moments of sorrows, naiintindihan ko and I can understand how difficult it is to see the promise of joy. But if we truly believe in Him and His love for us, that He died for us on the cross so that He can give us life everlasting, then the load is much easier to bear. And we are hopeful that there is something good that will come out of the pain. What Jesus is asking for us is to trust in Him, to know and believe that He is always with us through sorrows and pain. And beyond those difficult and painful times in our lives, there is always the promise of new life and joy. Always find comfort that God has a plan for each one of us. Whatever happens to us is truly part of that grand plan. Often, it is good to look back after the pain has subsided and then contemplate on the positives that came out of that pain. The joy after the storm can be the blessings of new life, experiences that taught us great wisdom, new friends that came into our lives, and the renewed faith on God's love for us. Let us always pray, Jesus, I trust in you. For more of these gospel reflections, please subscribe to Facebook PH YouTube channel or download the Facebook app or register at www.facebook.ph. God bless us all. Thank you.